we doing?
We're doing this.
What is this?
This is a Seventour P10.
You're goofy. We're gonna try to hook this thing up and have some, I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to Zukmi. Today, we're gonna be putting in the Seventour P10.
Hopefully, this will let us have maps. I bought the optional GPS, and somewhere there's a suction cup mount. I will try to find it.
Uh-oh.
Let's go.
I will be working on the car from here, this position right here. So when you need something, I'll just catch this. Ready?
I'm ready.
I'll just do this. It's too cold. This is the perfect spot.
She is crazy. It is not that cold, and she wants to stand in front of the heater.
Yes, it is.
I'm gonna move you guys inside.
It's like 60 degrees, okay? That's freezing. We're still not climatized.
Cut your face.
Hold on a second. 68 degrees. It's like ice outside.
Hear that, Clint? She says it's 68 degrees. It's like ice outside.
I'm telling you, it was like 80 when we went into Chipotle and we came out and it was frozen over. Okay guys, so we finally finished putting in the Seventour. Today we used it has Android Auto, which works really well, and the map function. I love it. The cameras are amazing. It records. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh, man. Let's see. So we're going to let it load for a second. Alright. So if we want to do Android Auto, we just click there. Dash cams. That's my favorite. Oops. There is the front. Okay, here's the map section. It works really well.
You didn't wait for it to load all the way. It was putting Android Auto on there. It's got to click up to the phone.
Okay, now we go back.
You can do that. And then click it one more time. It'll give you the apps. Then you can do any of that, or you can click this button and go to the cameras.
Cameras, this one?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't think you clicked it. You missed it. There you go.
There's the front.
I
I love.
think it's adjustable. Oh,
Well, the back is, but I don't know about the front.
maybe it's the back.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Why is it not doing it?
I'm doing it wrong.
I don't think
Anyway, you can definitely adjust the camera up and down. It's very cool.
Oh,
there you
there
go.
it
She
goes.
got it. She just had to put it in the right, do it in the right place.
so. And then it can take pictures.
That's awesome. Or you can click record, but it's always recording. If you want to record
You can
something
have both
specific.
views if you want. I love it. Guess it only scrolls that way.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's awesome. Yay.
How'd you do the front camera? Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. There we go.
So we can set it up at car shows and see how many people call it a Suzuki Samurai.
Or a
G-Wagon.
G-Wagon. We went to a car show today. I think a whole bunch of people thought it was a G-Wagon.
Yeah, they did.
I think the blue one gets it more because it's got the fender flares on it.
Because it just looks bigger and meaner.
It's a work in progress.
Yep. Okay, so what's next?
Fender flares.
Fender flares. Next. Hopefully. Alright, bye guys.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.